Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can see who subscribed to your YouTube channel. So let's get started. If you want to view the people who have subscribed to your YouTube channel, you can do it directly through YouTube Studio. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed into the account that owns your channel. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the Studio dashboard, look for the Recent Subscribers section. You may need to scroll down a little to find it. In the Recent Subscribers box, click See All. This will open a list of subscribers who have recently subscribed to your channel. By default, YouTube usually shows subscribers from the last 90 days, but you can change the filter to view subscribers over different time periods, including lifetime data if available. You can also sort the list by the date someone subscribed or by their subscriber count. This makes it easy to identify larger creators or channels that have subscribed to you. If you're interested in networking or checking out your audience, these filters can be very useful. Keep in mind that YouTube only shows subscribers who have chosen to make their subscriptions public. If someone keeps their subscriptions private, their name will not appear in your subscriber list, even if they are subscribed to your channel. Checking your subscriber list regularly can help you learn more about your audience and discover other creators who are engaging with your content. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.